Good morning. This is hey. This is our new dog, Gucci. She is quite cute. And this is a test day vlog. I'm traveling quite light. I'm in Finland with only a backpack, and today we are going for a test day with the drift car, and then I'm going back to home to Monaco. So let's make a quick drifting day. I heard some people actually like eat pickles. I haven't seen anybody so far to eat them because they're really bad. So big no, not good. Niin vähän.
Se on varmaan se, kun se laskee kaikkia akseleita, niin se on oltava se pää.
Painuuko se saman tien?
Joo, näkyy.
Juu.
Olisiko se mennyt jumiin, kun se on käynyt ensin sen ylipaineen puolella liian korkealle? Päivä.
Perille päästä.
No justiin. Täällä on ollut.
Päivä. Suomen lämmin kesä tänä vuonna. 12 lämmintä on.
First time we are driving this track with Supra. but I think this is maybe the closest one what we can have in Finland to similar track than what we are gonna have in Poland. It's quite slow track and we have this left and right corner. Quite good for testing the setup. Since Drift Masters Finland we have a new blade style rear anti-roll bar because the car was always a bit too grippy on the rear axle. We have been fighting with that a bit. If the track is really grippy, it's quite hard to initiate the drift, especially if you are chasing someone with a straight car that you are not spinning the wheels when you need to make the entry. It's always really grippy. With the roll bar and some other stuff what we are trying now, we are trying to make it better. And it seems that we are having a bit more slide now. Like when you're dragging on the handbrake, the car is sliding a bit more, which is better. Because always when, especially when chasing, it was a bit issue that the car is stopping a lot when you go on the handbrake. So yeah, just basically concentrating on the entries and then trying to follow the outside line well, that the car is not pushing too much but still feels fast. Now we try something else. The new roll bar seems to be good. So all good at the moment. And new headlights also. Thanks to Sebastian Sundfors. He designed the lights. Looks quite the same from the distance than the stock lights. And we have the same running daylights that we always had on the stock lights. Much cheaper than the real lights, and also a lot lighter also. The stock light is actually quite heavy when it has all the proper lights inside, so cheaper and lighter. That's what we like. Näytän kyllä ihan peikolta.
No on.
So, the test is going quite well. Like I said before, we tried the roll bar, then some anti-squat things with the with the rear suspension, roll bar things with the front suspension. Seems that the car is quite nice to drive now, at least this kind of track. It's also gliding and sliding a bit more with the handbrake, which is what we wanted to make the car a bit easier to drive. And then yeah, there is a lot of grip what we can take more from the tire if we need, but it always feels with this chassis that when we try to add the grip, the car becomes really difficult to drive. So it's definitely not the easiest car to drive with a grippy tire, but anyway, everything is good so far. We had a strange engine cutoff now on the last run, I don't know why. So Anssi will check the data and then we drive the last pair of tires.
Mr. Cameraman.
Mr. Cameraman, hello.
Terve.
Mitä se näyttää?
Jotain käskettyä sammutusta ilman mitään vikakoodeja eikä mitään häiriötä missään.
Käsketty sammutus ilman, että se on käsketty.
Niin, sanoit sä silleen, että nyt sammuu.
En sanonut.
En tiedä.
En tiedä mäkään.
En tiedä siis.
Tää on tälleen, mistä tää ohjataan? Tosta. Tosta. Ai niin, tässä oli tää miten ohjataan. Mä oon lähettänyt ohjata. We couldn't find the drift problem. So yeah, this was supposed to be our last pair of tires, but we couldn't drive it. For some reason, the ECU just like cut off the engine because there was like for a really short time, like I don't know, 0.02 seconds or something like this. A time where the engine didn't get the RPM value, so it showed like 0 RPM and then the ECU has a feature to shut down the engine. So Anssi has some work to do to try to check it and find it. Hopefully it's something easy, some bad connection somewhere or whatever. We don't want to drive more, so to save the engine, if something happens or it goes lean, whatever, we don't know. So car will go back to garage. Hopefully we find the issue and then we will see you in Poland. I'm flying home now to Monaco and I have a bit busy schedule. I'm going to Rally Greece, 10 test, rally test, then Drift Masters Poland, then straight to Chile for the WC and then straight from Chile to Japan and then from Japan straight to Germany for rally test. So 1.5 months in the hotel and airplane. Wish me luck. See you in Poland.
Heitäpä vitsi.
Ei lähde noin käskystä. Vaikka helvetistä nyt kyllä varastossa. Mä kerään daddivitsejä paljon.
Deadly Stairs of Arttu.
Nice.
Now fixed. Let's go. Let's go. The car fits here quite well. Because we weren't so sure like how much space we will have once the car is here. This is actually now the first trip we do when the car is in the truck. But it fits quite well. And there is still a lot of room up here to make like room for tires. Like we will make big brackets here for tires. One thing what is quite clever, at least in I think it's in our rally team test truck, there is like big nets on the roof where you can put like all the light stuff, like I don't know, body panels and stuff like this from the car. So we will make like the nets and some tire brackets, and there is still a lot of space here, so that's good.
Suspension up.
Joo, kovaa hommaa tää paineitten keräily.
Anssilla on vähän lisää hommaa, kun se korjaa tän kärry ennen kuin lähtee Puolaan. Supra ekaa ja sit kärry.
Nyt meni nipparit.
Heavy duty fixing.
Mulla oli tossa äsken pari nipparit.
Tarvoin.
Tanko sinä? Onko tää ollut näin päin? Näin päin vai tonne ylöspäin? No näitähän ei oo kuin yksi, kun tää lukee koko akselista.
Niin on. Minkälaista vikaa oikein löytyy?
Se on tuo korkeus venttiilitanko poikki, niin se ei oikein tiedä missä asennossa oli. Vähän vehtaa meidän kanssa niin sanotusti. Toivotaan, että nippusiteet pitää ja päästään pajalle.